I make fish. I skateboard. Here's a short video of things you can do if you don't know how to Ollie. And if you know how to Ollie and don't have a skate park, there's things you can do with rocks. Like and subscribe. What I'm trying to do here is launch off that tiny rock and see if I can do it without Ollie. But what you'll see is I start jumping from my back foot more than Ollieing, because old school decks, you have to actually jump, and it's more of a pressure than an Ollie. But check it out. Now in this clip, this actually took longer than expected. I thought I would be able to roll up and roll off really easy. But as you'll see, I lost all my momentum when I got to the top. So what I figured out is when you get to the top, you lean all your weight in the back, kind of like a curb, and then you'll pop off it. Somehow science and stuff. But yeah, this is what made this clip so special. Is because it's my first time sessioning on the rock, and it felt really good. Right here is just the second angle because, two to make it true. And it was a lot easier the second time around. It only took me 2 tries. So I know for sure this is something I'm going to be doing for a minute. If you don't have a skate park, you can always make it happen. Anywhere you want to skate is a park, even natural stuff. Remember, like and subscribe, and follow me for more skateboarding tips and free lessons.